Mark Qualizza works in BC, where he makes high-end, custom furniture for clients. According to Mark, his greatest design pleasure is incorporating curves into his work, and this is a great example of that. Titled Cube in Curves, it was an exercise in complex joinery. All of the workpieces, short of the center cube and shelves, are curved, and the joinery was an incredibly enjoyable challenge, according to Mark. This piece, called Wave Table, has a hand-carved base in the shape of a wave and is burnt using the traditional Japanese treatment called shao sugiban. Here's a collection of some of Mark's other recent work. Mark's 800 square foot shop is on his property and is well equipped with a range of large machines, power tools, and hand tools.